Created by MyGuide. How to get into Harvard University tips and tricks. Harvard University is a private Ivy League research university in Cambridge, Massachusetts, with about 6,700 undergraduate students and about 13,100 postgraduate students. Established in 1636 and named for its first benefactor, clergyman John Harvard, Harvard is the United States' oldest institution of higher learning. Its history, influence, wealth, and academic reputation have made it one of the most prestigious universities in the world. It is cited as the world's top university by many publishers. The official seal of the Harvard Corporation. Found on Harvard diplomas, it carries the university's original motto, Christo et Ecclesiae, later changed to Veritas. Founded in 1636, Harvard is the oldest university in the U.S. and one of the most prestigious. Only 4.65% of Harvard applicants are admitted. Of 42,749 applicants last year, only 1,962 were admitted. Ultimately, 1,653 students chose to attend. Yes, there are some students who reject Harvard. Massachusetts Hall, Harvard's oldest building. Application requirement include a general university application. Complete Harvard's supplemental essays. SAT test scores. 2 SAT subject tests. 2 letters of recommendation from teachers. A school report and letter of recommendation from your counselor. High school transcript. $75 application fee. A midyear report. Key factors that will determine your admission. A potential for future growth. Demonstrate potential for future growth via academics. Demonstrate potential for future growth via sports. Demonstrate potential for future growth via stuff. Demonstrate potential for future growth via stuff. B. Personality. Bill Gates got into Harvard. Mark Z got into Harvard. Demonstrate initiative and show who you are. C. Make essay readers fall in love with you. Got a real problem in life, and you have overcome it. Write it. Write your story, make essay reader want to read more. The university is organized into 11 principal academic units, 10 faculties, and the Radcliffe Institute for Advanced Study with campuses throughout the Boston metropolitan area. Its 209-acre main campus is centered on Harvard Yard in Cambridge. Approximately 3 miles northwest of Boston, the business school and athletics facilities, including Harvard Stadium, are located across the Charles River. In the Allston neighborhood of Boston, and the medical, dental, and public health schools are in the Longwood medical area. Harvard's endowment is worth $40.9 billion, making it the largest of any academic institution. Harvard is a large, highly residential research university. The nominal cost of attendance is high, but the university's large endowment allows it to offer generous financial aid packages. The Harvard Library is the world's largest academic and private library system, comprising 79 individual libraries holding over 18 million items. Harvard's alumni include 8 U.S. presidents, more than 30 foreign heads of state, 188 living billionaires, 364 Rhodes Scholars, and 252 Marshall Scholars. As of October 2019, 160 Nobel laureates, 18 Fields medalists, and 14 Turing Award winners have been affiliated as students, faculty, or researchers. In addition, Harvard students and alumni have won 10 Academy Awards, 48 Pulitzer Prizes, and 108 Olympic medals, as well as founded many notable companies worldwide. If you get rejected, who cares? Move on. Elon Musk did not go to Harvard. You can be next Elon Musk and save humanity from dying. You can still land on Mars. Thank you for watching this video. Convert any text or PowerPoint to video using MyGuide for free. Just Google MyGuide.